Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me and Charlie this morning. We are back with the excuse me, winner announcement for the weekly giveaway for this gorgeous cat purse, which is actually full of lots of goodies. I won't get them all out because Charles probably be a pain, but if you saw the video, you saw that it is filled with lots and lots of tags, die cuts and goodies. So thank you to all of you who have took part, and I've got my tablet here. I have put the URL there, and we're about to find out. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that was. Right, okay, so let's have a look and see who has won this gorgeous purse. So good luck, everyone, and here we go. And the winner is Anne Aubrey. So well done, Anne. Thank you to everyone who took part. Anne, if you could email me your name and address, your address details. Sorry, it's early in the morning here, and Charles is being a pain, aren't you, Charles? So thank you to everyone who took part. I will be doing another one probably tomorrow or Thursday. So and if you could please just message me your address, and I shall get this lovely cute purse on its way to you. So take care, everyone. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.